A nigga ever, what I'ma say about us, we super solid. And any nigga ratty, we just don't fuck with them.
Church.
I don't give a fuck who they is. We don't fuck with niggas that violated the code. That's what it's built on. That's why we still around. That's why we live it forever. And we ain't gonna never die. Cash Money will never die, nigga. This shit gonna live forever, nigga. We made timeless music with timeless niggas, and we about ready to die, kill, and go about the penitentiary if that's what we gotta do about this shit, blood. Like, man, yo, come on, man. Shit.
Take a fade. Ain't nothing but a fade.